Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on the Watch Kaki channel, and for today's video we have a package here that's pretty big, and I bought this one at the recent Shopee sale. So sometime in mid-March, Shopee had this birthday sale or something like that, and there I was. I went onto the app and did some shopping and clicking here and there, and 2 days later this one showed up. Alright, so let me just use my really impressive looking unboxing knife here, and let me just cut open the package here. So this one here is really well packed, and I managed to just cut open the edges here of the top lid, and we finally get to the actual retail box here. Alright, so yet more bubble wrap here. I think this is really good packaging by the vendor Luxolite. Okay, so apart from Watch Spree, I've also bought some watches from Luxolite in the past, and these few companies, these online dealers, they never fail to impress me. Alright, so this is the Seiko box. It's pretty big, okay, so it's bigger than usual kind of Seiko box, and you might have guessed it's one of those Safety Ocean or Paddy kind of edition whereby the box is slightly bigger. Alright, and it's got more elaborate colors and all that at the trims. So we've got yet another Seiko here. Alright, and this belongs to Safety Ocean series. Okay, the usual manual and warranty information. Let me just get this one out of the way, and ta-da! Okay, so this is the Seiko that I recently ordered, and let me just remove the pillow and show you the watch. Alright, so here it is. Ta-da! One more time, and this is one of those solar quartz, solar tunas. Alright, so the crown here came disengaged, pulled out, so I think it's fine now. Just press it in and screw down the crown. Okay, so reference number for this watch is, let me take a look here, SNE518P1. Alright, so the entire Solar Tuna series, I think they were relaunched or reintroduced sometime in 2018, I think. So at the time of the launch, there was the gold one, alright, which I have, and I think there was a Paddy version as well as a boring black and silver, and then later on came this one, Safety Ocean. Alright, with the blue whale underbelly style kind of dial here. Really fantastic looking watch here. So they've even got a special hang tag here that says Safety Ocean. So the blue whale edition, I think, was one of the first Safety Ocean. Right now we have so many of those. We've got dark manta, light manta, we've got polar edition, we've got the penguin feet edition, and something like that. So with all the packaging out of the way, let's take a closer look at the SNE518 Safety Ocean Solar Tuna. Really good looking dial here. I apologize for the poor lighting, because if I use better studio lights, I think you will be able to see how beautiful the dial here really is. Alright, the blue, electric blue here really pops, and I would say this purchase is really inspired by my current watches. Alright, so I've got two watches that I really love in my collection, and these two watches sort of made me want to add this to my collection as well, namely my Safety Ocean Turtle. Alright, they've got the same dial, that is, but I think the electric blue on my Turtle is even more electrifying. If that's the way to put it. Okay, so I also have the other Solar Tuna. This is the SNE498. So they say this is the closest to the grandfather tuna, the gold trims and all that. And upon having this for the past 1.5 years, I really feel that the Solar Tuna series, they are really one of the best bang for the buck kind of a Seiko diver. Alright, let's do a really quick handset alignment check here. Let me unscrew the crown again. I screwed it in at the beginning of this video here, so let's go to 12 o'clock and see how it goes. Alright, alignment looks really good. Let's see 3 o'clock. Wow, okay, no issues at all. Everything looks spot on here. Okay, and let's just see if the seconds hand lines up nicely with the hour markers, with the minute markers, sorry. So looks pretty good here behind the lens. Okay, so typically, you know, these quartz guys, they have a bit of misalignment when it comes to seconds hand taking, so I'm really happy with this one that I've collected. Alright, so let's just go on to the bezel check as well. Ooh. Wow, so maybe there's a level of you know, tightness in there. Alright, very firm clicks as opposed to the typical soft clicks here. So wow, I'm surprised. Okay, so maybe not all divers, they have the same allowance, alright, or tolerance when it comes to bezel action. This one here lines up perfectly. Just take a look here. Wow, no misalignments at all. I'm very, very impressed. So let's squeeze in a really quick fake wrist shot here. Alright, so Tunas, they're not for the faint-hearted. They're really big watches, but this one here made very manageable by the short L to L, and also the thinness of it just, you know, make this one so nice to wear. Alright, at under 100 grams, so you really don't feel the weight at all. So I would think, you know, I'm very happy with this purchase. Alright, so this is the SNE518P1 Safety Ocean Solar Tuna. Stay tuned for the full video review. I'll see you soon. This is the Watch Kaki. Bye bye.